We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
We started our summer road trip adventure with a stop at Robin's childhood fishing lake in Northern California. Not as low as last year this time. That's nice. Little stream, one of two streams that feed into the lake. Definitely not as high as it was when I was a child. Beautiful day to do some fishing. Quiet up here off grid, no service, not a lot of people. In fact, the people that were here last night are gone today. And we're all alone with the deer and the osprey. After spending time with family in California, we headed towards Idaho to visit some friends and some more family on our summer road trip, headed north. After a little hurdle of a flat tire crossing the border into Nevada, crossed the border into Oregon, and spent the night at the Pillars of Rome. As we left our spot for the night, we saw our first wildlife sighting of the trip. A group of horses, some deer, more Mormon crickets on the road than we could even count. We are in Idaho on the Snake River, and last night we stayed out the Pillars of Rome, Eastern Oregon, not far from the Idaho border. And now we're at some friends on the Snake River in Idaho. Gonna go kayaking and hang out for the day. Rich was excited to try out our new foldable kayaks that we got from ORU.
We walk, stay and talk, suffer love I have to steal. With blinking eyes through a bad disguise, we move on to reappeal.
ORU Lake Kayak in the Snake River. In the Snake River, it's not a river kayak. This is a nice little kayak, Rich. Down the Snake River. Then we got to go back up the Snake River?
We're going up right now.
We're going up now? I thought we were going down. We'll have to verify that.
Current goes the other way.
Yeah, the current's on the other side of the river. This is not a jetty, what?
I don't think it's a jetty.
I don't think it's a jetty, but...
Why you're sitting there.
Uh-huh. The Snake River. Rich.
Robin,
Yes.
we are on the Snake River.
We are on the Snake River.
Last time we were on the Snake River,
Yes.
there was, what, class 4 and 5?
I think 3 and 4.
3 and 4?
1, 4.
Rapids?
We were in a raft.
And that wasn't in.
And we had 9 people in the raft, including the guy that raft guide.
And we lost Johnny.
And we lost one. She went over, but we pulled her right back in because she weighed nothing.
Who pulled her back in?
You did. I say we turn around.
What's that?
I say we turn around.
I know as the daylight grows,
This is going to be harder going upstream here.
supposed to feel to make the same mistakes, to be part of something real. We walk, staying tall, suffer love I have to steal. With blinking eyes through a bad disguise, we move on to the appeal.
Walk of shame with the toilet. As we left Boise, Idaho, we stopped downtown to take in some of the sights, stopping at Shoshone Falls on our way to Wyoming.
And the times are changing fast.
The spot that we chose first to stop for the night as we left Idaho was closed for construction. So in the dark, we arrived at this beautiful location along the Snake River before heading into Wyoming and Grand Tetons National Park. So last night we stayed not by a little brook, which was a finger to the Snake River. Join us next time as we go to Grand Tetons National Park and make a stop at Yellowstone National Park before heading into Montana.